Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Audi Q3 S-Line. This one's a glacier white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 228 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. S-Line badging. Beige interior. Panorama sunroof. Q3 quattro badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. An Audi logo which appears when you open the door, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, climate controls, automatic transmission. This Audi has 23,667 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi Q3 S-Line, check out feldmannimports.com.